Hello and welcome. Today I'm coming to you from 130 Water Street. This is a studio converted into a one-bedroom, junior one, and it is in a full-time doorman building with elevator and laundry with a walk-in closet for $549,000. One of the questions I get asked all the time as a real estate agent when people are purchasing is who is responsible for what repairs? Co-op owners are under what is called a proprietary lease, and under that lease, it outlines what the building is responsible for and what the owner or shareholder is responsible for. Owners of condos do not have a proprietary lease and therefore are not covered under that. Something else that also covers co-op owners in New York City, which is the warranty of habitability, which is kind of the city's set rules for landlords, which protect tenants from the basic needs in their house, like things like heat and hot water must be supplied by the building. Windows tend to be one of the things that, according to real estate attorneys, 9 times out of 10 are covered by the co-op, but sometimes it could be the responsibility of the shareholder. Another issue that typically comes up is water damage. Who's responsible if there's a leak? Technically, anything that is behind your walls in a co-op is the responsibility of the building. Now, let's say the water damage is caused by negligence, then the shareholder may be responsible. But typically, if something happens out of your control behind the walls, like a leak, the building is responsible for it. Now let's say that same water damage needs to be, now let's say the building fixes the leak, but now they have to fix the wall because they had to tear down a wall. They are responsible for putting your wall back together and painting over, but if you want to paint your whole apartment, then that is typically the shareholder's responsibility. And when it comes to plumbing, that is also the responsibility of the co-op. However, your fixtures, like your sink, your toilet, shower fixtures, appliances, and that sort of thing will be the shareholder's responsibility. The one exception to the behind the walls policy is the electrical. If you change the electrical or want to rewire or do anything, that is completely the responsibility of the shareholder. So in summary, if you own a house or a condo, you're going to be responsible for most of the repairs. But if you own a co-op, many things can be covered. If you have any questions or need any other advice on this, I'm happy to connect you with attorneys that can help you look at your building documents. And as always, I'm here to help.